my channel. It's Rachel. For today's video, I will be doing unboxing and review for this product. This was sent to me by Empress Australia, and I'm talking about shoes. I love shoes, but this one is different because it's a square toes. And I have this package right here, and it says over here, there, Empress. I love shoes, so I know you're watching this video, you love shoes. The story about this, guys, is there's two brothers that they wanted to give gift to their mother a perfect pair of shoes. Their mother is complaining about her feet, so they decided to give her a nice pair of shoes, and it was an awesome gift for her. The square toe conforms to the shape of your foot. No more feet pain. This is perfect for those who have feet problems like bunions, neuropathy, arthritis, plantar, fasciitis, hammer toes. They have different colors, so I picked the red one because I like black, but this one would be different for me because it's red. Be like a change for me for the color. You know, I live here in the US, so I have size 5. I have small feet, so yes, they have full size, they don't have half sizes. And later on, I'm going to pair this with any outfit. I picked the square toe flats, and these are made from sustainable leather. So let's open this one. I can't wait to see. So yay! Here it is. It's pink and purple. The combination, I love the colors, guys. So it says over here, Empress. And so let's open the box. Oh, look at that. What's this one? Oh, there's rose in the box. It smells good too. I love it. I love it. I don't know what's this made of. Maybe satin, and it's purple rose. I never had purple rose, but anyway, this is what it looks like, guys. So pretty. Yay! Thank you. Before I show you the shoes, I do have a $10 off at checkout, so I'll put the link in the description box. If you're new to my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. Don't forget to like and comment this video right here. And this one, they comes with a dust bag. Oh my goodness. I really like the design, and also right here is a square toes. I don't have a square toe. I know I have a lot of shoes, but I never have like this, you know, square toes before. So I can't wait to try this one, guys. It's leather. See how flexible that is? And there's like, I don't know, adjustable strap right here. You can adjust it, you know, to your comfort. The leather is so soft. Sometimes it's hard for me to look for shoes that, you know, feels comfortable. I'll take the other one also. There. See how pretty that is? I mean, the style is different, but it's unique and I really like it. Yay! Anyway, what else? I have this tote bag. There's a tote bag that they, you know, sent in the box, and I, you know, I can use it for something else, or if I go somewhere I have to put that shoes. And then I'm gonna show you how I pair it with any outfit. So I'm here and I tried the shoes on the carpet, and I tried it outside, especially it's very cold outside because it's winter here. There's still snow outside, but anyway, the only thing, there's two things. It's because this one is square toes and it's wide. It's ½ inch bigger than I expect because I wear size 5, and size 5 It's just about the right size for me, but that's not really a big thing because this elastic band, so I just have to adjust it and then it's just about right. The second one is every time I took it off, the insoles will come off too. So anyway, other than that, I really like it. It feels comfortable and it's really soft, and I like the red color. It matches my outfit, you know. I mean, I know it's different. I will wear this every day because it really feels comfortable. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.